Welcome to the complete JavaScript tutorial. In this video, we will talk about increments and decrements in JavaScript. So a lot of tutorials doesn't care about this part of programming, but it's very important to understand that before jumping into talking about loops. So let's start by a first example. In the first example, I want to show you this E++ and what does mean. If we have a variable, for example var I equal to 2 or 3, and we type a line E++, mean that we increase this number by 1. So this E++ is the same thing as I equal to I plus 1, okay? And we have an example, var x equal to 5, so I create a variable of type integer, mean number equal to 5, and semicolon, mean another line of the code. X++ mean that x now equal to 6. Why? Because x++ mean x equal to x plus 1. Okay, so we'll make this quick example. So I will go to my VS Code. Remember this exercise from the last video, this calculator using JavaScript. I will create another file, so I'm in VS Code. If I just my mouse in this icon, I have new file. So I create new file. I will call it index2.html. Okay, and I will click enter. I have my index.html, index2.html, completely empty. I will make my tag script, okay, and here I will do my example. So let's go. I will start by creating a var x equal to 5, and here I will console. I will make another line, so I will just increase the size of the character, so x++. And here I will type console.log x here, semicolon, and I will save. I create a variable 5, and in this line I type x++, mean x equal to x plus 1. So I will just type as quick, x equal to x plus 1. And here I will just console log x, and I will save. And I will go to my folder when I have just index. Now I have index 2. I will click, and I have complete empty file. I will click to inspect elements, console, and I have 6. Okay, the variable x now equals to 6. And we will go back to our presentation. The first example is easy. Now let's go to the second rule. The second rule, if we type console log x++, mean that we type 2 lines. Okay, this is mean typing 2 lines, because console log a++ mean we display the I and we go and increase the I by 1, for example. Okay, so I will go and show you this example. I will repeat. If we type console log, mean display me e++, mean I will console log I and go to the second line and type e equal to e plus 1. So I will go back to my editor. Okay, so now I will just delete. I will make a comment. So what's the problem here? Okay, so I will make a comment here and here. Okay, so now I will console.log x++, and like I said, this is mean 2 lines, mean display me x and make the x equal to x++. Okay, to see the result, I will make console after this line. I will make, so I will make this, I will name it line 1 plus, I will make just a little space, and here I will make console log, here line 2 plus x, okay, to see the result, okay. And we will go back to our browser, and I will refresh, and I have, so what the problem here, just I will make a space here, so a little of space to see the result more clearly. So I will go back to my browser and here, and I will refresh. So the line 1, x equal to 5, and in the line 2 we have x equal to 6. So this line display x, so display 5, normal. But after, he will increase the x equal by 1. So this line mean exactly console log x, and make a semicolon and make x equal to x plus 1. Great. This line is the same thing as this line, just we have here this line 1, okay? Don't worry about it. Okay, and here now he display x, so he display 5, and after he go and increase the x by 1, so now x equal to 6, and here if he display x, mean display 6, and this is the result that we have so far. We have in the first 5 and we have 6 in the second. Now we have the third case, okay? In the third case we have console log plus plus I. This is the difference between I plus plus and plus plus I, okay? Plus plus I mean first increase the I by 1 and go after and display the I. So the difference between I plus plus and plus plus I, in the I plus plus we display the variable and after we increase it by 1. In the plus plus I we increase the variable by 1 and we display it after. And we will see the result very quick, okay? So I will go back here. So what I will do is I will directly make console log, so what the problem here, console log plus plus x, and I will save, okay? So now what he would do, he would increase the x by 1 and after he will display it. So I will make a command directly, so now x equal to x plus 1, and after he will make console log x, okay? So I will save and go back to my browser and I will refresh, and we have 6 directly, okay, because he increased the number and go back and display it. Very simple, not and very confused if you don't give the interest into this rule, okay? So that is so much for this video. Just remember this slide, okay? In the coming video we'll go back to continue with condition using switch case. Thank you.